today I'm going to be showing you how to make a crochet flower which you could use as a decoration or a coaster. So you will need double knit wool in two colours, one for the centre and one for the petals, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. So the first thing to do is to make a magic ring with the colour wool that you want for the centre of the flower. And you then want to do 6 double crochet into the magic ring. And remembering that this is UK terminology. So once you've done that, you're going to pull in the end strand of wool, and you then just do a slip stitch into the first stitch in your magic ring to join the circle together. So from here you're going to do a chain of 1, and then into the first stitch you're then going to do 2 double crochet into that stitch, and you're going to continue to do 2 double crochet into each stitch around the circle. So this will give you 12 double crochet around the edge in total. Now from here you're then going to do, you can see that's 12 double crochet. You're then going to do a chain of 1. Into the first double crochet you're going to do 2 double crochet again, and then in the next stitch you're going to do 1 double crochet, and you will repeat this all the way around, and this will give you 18 double crochet around the edge of the circle. Now from here you want to attach the next colour yarn. So I'm going to be using red. And then you do a chain of 1 and then 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and then you're going to do a chain of 28. And when you get to 28, you will then do 1 double crochet in the same original stitch, and that just creates the loop. And then you will then do 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then a chain of 28 again. And you will then do 1 double crochet into the original stitch again, and you will just keep repeating this pattern all the way around, and this will give you 18 loops in total around the edge. So I'm just on my last loop now. I'm going to do a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Now I'm going to cut a long tail of yarn. And with a needle, I'm going to thread this yarn through all of the loops of the flower. So making sure that the loops aren't twisted at all when you thread the yarn through. You just need to push it through the base. And then base of the next loop. And you can see that it's holding them next to each other. And now the base of the next loop. And you're just going to repeat this all the way round. And when you get to the end, you just want to repeat the whole process once more of threading the yarn through all the petals, and you should end up with something that looks like this. And as you can see, you can make this in lots of different colours, so there's lots of different varieties that you can do. So that's the end of this video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time.